Hello everybody, my name is Anthony Dolezal with XG Trading. Today we're going to talk about trading with the trend, how to make money on a big move and where to get in. Okay, now let's get started. And before we do, let's get our house cleaning out of the way first, make sure all of our regulators are happy. Today's webinar is intended for educational purposes only, and it's not intended as a solicitation to buy or sell any investment instruments. There's considerable risk involved in trading, and before deciding to trade, you should carefully consider your investment objectives, level of experience, and risk appetite. Well, great. Now that we have that out of the way, let's get started. Now, this is about trend trading. What we want is a big move, either up or down. It could be from news, some sort of event, or commentary from government officials that is the catalyst behind the move. What we want to watch for is that first pullback and then in continuation of the original move. Once that happens, go ahead and mark the area or the level on your chart where that pullback came to before it jumped to continue with the trend. So then once the market comes back to that area, we want to jump on board, get on that trend, and make money with the group. So let's take a look at an example. Let's clarify this. Now you can see a big spike higher. This is the S&P E-mini, and where that green line is and the arrow, you could see the market pulled back to there after the initial spike higher before it went on to make new highs, and it moved pretty good off of that area from about 2082 up to right around 21 flat, the big figure. As we've talked about in some of the other videos, after the market consolidates, you can see it pull back to the tick where the initial pullback was. That's where you want to get in and jump on the trend. Now the market bounces off of that area 9 handles, almost 9 handles. That's roughly 36 ticks. Even if you just got a piece of that, that's a good trade, right? These happen over and over on the market. You can see them and take advantage of them. Here's another one. This chart, again, is the S&P E-mini, and you can see the market or the S&P moves lower. It pulls back. It's a clear pullback where it bounced, went back down to retest a low. Now notice on this one, it did not make a new low. So that's telling us the market is starting to turn a little bit. And why is that important? Because that's going to help you set your expectation for what the trade should do, or when you sell it at that pullback base level, what's your profit target? What are your expectations? Now you can see again, it came up there, it overran that level by maybe 2 ticks. That's not a lot of risk at all. And when it bounced from there, it went about 3 handles, 12 ticks. Again, not trying to get rich on every trade. If you can make 6 ticks, 8 ticks, then that's a good trade. It just depends on what you're looking for, what your goals are, and what your strategies are. Now, if you want to learn more about this strategy or the other tools, training, and education that we have, please go to our website at xg-trading.com. Again, it's xg-trading.com. My name is Anthony Dolezal. I want to thank you for your time, and stay green.